In the ever-evolving world of interior design, trends come and go, but one that is making waves and shaping contemporary spaces is the use of curves. The era of sharp angles and straight lines is giving way to a softer, more organic aesthetic. Explore the charm of curves with tips on how to seamlessly implement them into your home. Curves evoke a sense of fluidity and harmony, creating a visual language that is inviting and comforting. Unlike their angular counterparts, curves soften the edges of a space, promoting a more relaxed and organic atmosphere. From furniture to architectural elements, incorporating curves can bring a touch of sophistication and timelessness to your home. Start by introducing curved furniture pieces to your space. Opt for sofas with rounded edges, chairs that embrace the contours of the body, and coffee tables with curved lines. These pieces not only add visual interest, but also will create a more inclusive and inviting seating arrangement. Consider incorporating architectural elements with rounded designs. Archways, curved staircases, or even rounded door frames can add a touch of elegance and uniqueness to your home. These features not only stand out, but also contribute to the overall flow of the space. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of a room. Choosing lighting fixtures with curved lines to soften the illumination, pendant lights, chandeliers, or even floor lamps with rounded forms can add a subtle yet impactful touch to your interior. Extend the trend to your decor by choosing accessories with organic shapes. From mirrors and wall art to decorative items, introducing curved elements in smaller details can tie the design together seamlessly. don't forget about textiles. Incorporate soft flowing fabrics with curved patterns in your upholstery, curtains, and throw pillows. These elements add a tactile dimension to the space while complementing the overall design theme. As we bid farewell to rigid lines, the embrace of curves in interior design offers a refreshing and modern perspective. Whether you're looking to revamp your living room or infuse curves into your kitchen design, this trend provides endless possibilities for creating a space that is both stylish and inviting. Embrace the curve. It's not just a design element, it's a lifestyle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the content as much as I have enjoyed creating it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, stay awesome.